A senior Russian lawmaker has cautioned that if Ukraine were to launch strikes on Russian territory using missiles supplied by the West, then it could result in a worldwide war involving the use of nuclear arms. Vyacheslav Volodin, the Speaker of Russia's Duma, cautioned that Ukrainian strikes on Russian territory using missiles supplied by the West could escalate into a global war with the use of nuclear weapons. This warning underscores the rising tensions between Russia and the West, reminiscent of Cold War anxieties. Volodin asserted that should the West approve such Ukrainian attacks, Russia would retaliate with even more powerful weaponry. He specifically mentioned the RS-28 Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile, also known as Satan II, emphasizing that it could reach Strasbourg, France, in just over 3 minutes. His remarks highlight the severity of the current geopolitical climate, with parallels drawn to the Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962. Volodin's comments were made in reaction to a recent European Parliament vote that supported Ukraine's right to target Russian military positions using Western-supplied arms. This resolution was adopted with significant backing, with 425 votes in favor, 131 against, and 63 abstentions, just hours before his statement. The resolution aimed to bolster Ukraine's self-defense under international law, arguing that the current status quo restricts its ability to protect its population and infrastructure effectively. In response, Ukraine's newly appointed Foreign Minister Andriy Sybiha welcomed the European Parliament's decision, praising it as a demonstration of decisiveness and leadership. Notably, Ukraine has been urging its allies to permit strikes against what it deems legitimate military targets deep within Russian territory, including air bases that facilitate ongoing assaults on Ukrainian cities. Now, with a stern warning from Russia, it is yet to be seen how things unfold ahead.